Birds. 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 Birds are these things that fly. Um, Birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates constituting the class Aves. What does that mean? Characterized by feathers, toothless beak jaws, the laying of hard-shelled eggs, a high metabolic rate, and a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. So, this is a picture of a bird. I know it's crazy, right? That's a bird. So, birds, man. Yeah, birds. It's crazy. So, birds. What I'm here to talk about today is birds, right? You may be thinking, why are you stretching this out? I'm not stretching this out to 4 minutes because I have a YouTube channel and I made a YouTube video talking about how people can tell me to make a YouTube video about anything, and somebody told me to make a YouTube video about me talking about birds for 4 minutes. It's not why. It's not why. But I am doing it because birds are cool and I'm a fool. If you don't like birds, like, they're birds. How do you not like birds? 123231112 birds. I think birds are pretty cool. In fact, I'm gonna tell you some bird facts that are totally from the complete top of my head. These are just 15 amazing facts about 15 birds that just came to my head because I'm that much of a genius and know that much about birds. Ravens are great at mimicking human speech and sounds. I know it's crazy. While ravens in the wild are unlikely to pick up human language in captivity, they can become quite talkative. Some ravens are even better than parrots at mimicking human speech, not to mention sounds from the human world like car engines, or revving or toilet flushing. In the wild, meanwhile, ravens sometimes imitate other animals, mimicking predators like wolves or foxes to attract them to tasty carcasses when they're unable to break open on their own. That's crazy.